Hello students, I welcome you to Arduino classes. I am Shiva Patel to take up your mathematical reasoning classes. Students, we have already covered various types of questions in the topic of work and time, and from now onwards we are moving to another category of this type of question only, that is fraction of work. In these kind of questions you will be given information regarding fraction of work done by A in how many days, or fraction of work done by some person how many days, and then how much time will they take to complete the job, or something like this. So information in these kind of question will be based on fraction of work done by them, right? We will use questions to understand the concept, right? So the first question that we have in front of us is, the question is, A can complete 2/3 of a work in 4 days and B can complete 3/5 of work in 6 days. In how many days can both A and B together complete the work? So students, we have this question. Please read this question carefully, because all the concepts will be cleared through this question. The basic concept will be cleared through this question, and as we move to other questions, we will be having some difficult concept, not difficult but yes, higher level concepts on this topic only. It's not very difficult, it's very easy. Once you understand the concept, you will be feeling that it's not that difficult, right? A man can complete A can complete 2/3 of the work. A can complete 2/3 of a work in 4 days, and then it says B can complete A is completing 2/3 of the work in 4 days, and B can complete 3/5 of the work in 6 days. In how many days can both A and B complete the work if they are working together? And this is the information given to us. If you can recall earlier classes, we were given how much days would A or B take to complete the entire work, that is 1 unit of work. But here the information is given regarding a part of work, that is a fraction of work, which here in this case is 2/3 of the work can be completed in 4 days by A, and 3/5 of the work can be completed in 6 days by B. Okay. By applying unitary method, can we find days taken by A to complete the entire work that is of 1 unit? So we'll do cross multiplication. Unitary method, 2/3 of the work is completed in 4 days. 1 unit of work will be completed in 4 into 3/2 days. The answer here is 6 days. So A is completing 1 unit of work, that is the entire work, in 6 days. Okay. Similarly, applying the same steps here, can we get 1 unit of work completed by B in 6 into 5/3 days, that is 10 days. Right? So now we have the same question as the previous one. One step and we have the same question as the previous questions. So it is asking in how many days both A and B will work together and complete the work. So 1 day work of A is 1/6. 1 day work, ठीक, by A. 1 day work by B is 1/10. Right? 1 day work when they are working together will be 1/6 plus 1/10. We have 35 plus 3, 8/30, that is 4/15. So in 1 day both A and B together are completing 4 by 15 of the work. So the entire work will be completed in 15 divided by 4 days. Right? The question can also come in, the options can also be in mixed form, that here it would be 4, 3 and 3. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 days. Fine. Now, next question. We'll gradually move towards difficult question. This was to clear the